Today on the Daily Dose, the Han Dynasty. Following a mass revolt in 210 BC, which ended the Qin Empire, following a brief control period by warlord Xiang Yu, Liu Bang became the first Han Dynasty emperor in 202 BC, renaming himself Gaozu while establishing the Han capital at Chang'an along the Wei River. Gaozu replaced many of the ancient Chinese kings with members of his own family to quell rebellions and insurrections. However, the move would prove to be a struggle against the ambitions of his own family members. Following Gaozu's death in 195 BC, Empress Lu Zhi seized power by murdering several of Gaozu's sons, including the murder and mutilation of Gaozu's favorite mistress, Lady Kai, before tossing her body into a privy and showing it off to France. The power struggle ended 15 years later, when Gaozu's son Emperor Wan slaughtered Lu Zhi and her entire bloodline. Confucianism became favored by Han royalty around 135 BC, during the reign of Emperor Wu, which had been kept alive during Confucianism's lost years due to intellectuals like Fu Shang, who saved important Confucian literature during the civil wars that ended the Qin dynasty. In 138 BC, a man named Zhang Qi was sent on a 13-year trip by Emperor Wu to make contact with Western tribes, finally reaching Afghanistan in an area known as Bactria, which was then under Greek control. In Bactria, he saw bamboo and silk textiles brought in from China, and when he learned about the overland route the traders had taken, he took the news back to Emperor Wu, which would quickly become known as the now legendary Silk Road trading route. While the Han Dynasty would also see the birth of paper and many advances in writing and art, the Han Dynasty's predilection for courtly intrigue eventually brought it down. Scuffles broke out between the Empress Dowager's family and the eunuchs at court, following a coup attempt by a religious cult known as the Yellow Turbans. And as the situation continued to unravel, the military took control of the conflicts until 220 AD, when the last Han emperor was dethroned and the dynasty finished, ushering in the Sixth Dynasty period that would flourish from 220 AD until 589 AD. And there you have it, the Han Dynasty of China, today on the Daily Dose. If you like learning something new every day, subscribe to the Daily Dose on YouTube or sign up for emails at dailydosenow.com.